Hello, welcome to my channel. Akiola here. In this channel, you have access to educative and informative content on cryptocurrency and the blockchain. In today's video, we want to see opportunities with Binance. A lot of you might be wondering, how else can one make money on Binance without actually trading cryptocurrencies? Okay, so I want to show you a few. There are a lot of options in Binance that you can explore. I just want to show you a few of them in a few minutes. Okay, just stick through to the end, because by the end of this video, you're going to learn more about a new coin that will be launching hopefully very soon. Yeah, it ought to have been launched on April 4th, but due to an issue, it was postponed, and so the launching was postponed, and so you still have the opportunity to grab this coin at its early stage. Who knows where it's going? So that is that about that. Okay, so let's get right to it. Yeah, one of those things, one of the ways you can earn or make money, passive income on Binance, is to you can make and sell NFTs. That's still an option, though I would say it requires a lot of effort and expertise. Expertise in the sense that you have to create a very valuable NFT. It's very valuable, it's usable, it has value, and you have to do the marketing, create awareness for the NFT, and then sell it, of course, on Binance NFT Marketplace. Okay, you can go to my channel to see other ways you can, the ways you can list your NFT, and then how to trade your NFT on the Binance NFT Marketplace. Okay, so another way is you can auto invest. That is, whatever you have in your balance, just auto invest it. Whatever balance you have in your spot wallet, just auto invest it. It might be little, but your money is not decreasing, and then the value is not also reducing. So that's one of the ways as well. At the same time, you can also dual invest. I've spoken about dual investment as well on this YouTube channel, so do well to scroll through my channel. You should see a video on dual investment, or check a notification up here on the screen. That should take you to that video. Okay, yeah. Another way you can earn money, of course, on Binance is via farming. You can farm. You can do DeFi farming, DeFi staking. You can put your money into the pool, and then wait until some certain days, and then you can your interest, let's call it APY, depending on the kind of product you select. So that's another way. There's the Binance launch pad as well, launch pool, where you invest in a crypto asset that is about to be launched. Okay, definitely not a crypto coin. It's definitely so in a cryptocurrency, we have what is called crypto coin and crypto token. So definitely on Binance, there is only one coin. That's the BNB. On the Binance chain, there is only one coin, which is the BNB. There are other coins listed on the Binance exchange platform. Bitcoin, BTC is one of them, and the like. So there's not just one original crypto coin listed on the Binance exchange, but on the Binance chain, there's of course only one crypto coin. All other cryptocurrency on the Binance chain are called crypto tokens. All of those ones are called crypto tokens. So on a chain, that's on a cryptocurrency chain, on a cryptocurrency blockchain, there would only be one coin. All other ones operating on the chain, on the blockchain, are called tokens. So they are like derivatives. I hope you understand. Okay. So if Binance, for instance, is about to launch a new cryptocurrency, you can stake, you can buy early, invest in the token early, see what you get as reward. So you'll be rewarded. You stake either your BNB. In most cases, it's usually BNB. In few other cases, probably USDT or any other crypto coin, as the case may be. So you invest, that is, you stake your crypto assets, and then you get rewards in the new token that is about to be launched. And so once you do that, at the day, probably a few minutes before the launch, you get your reward. In fact, your reward is calculated daily, by the way, but a few minutes to the launch, you have the opportunity to undertake, get your funds, and then invest. So once you invest, you sell what you have mined, or what your reward is in that new coin that is about to be launched. Okay, so that is that about that. There are still some other ways. I have spoken a lot about some of them. Through Binance N, you can get to dual investment, you can get to auto investment, or even the normal investment in any other cryptocurrency. You see all of those things through Binance N. It's not just that, let's say, for instance, you're the type that have a business, whether online, offline, as the case may be. It's your decision. So if you're the type that runs such a business, you are the type that run businesses and you look at getting payment in cryptocurrencies, Binance has made it easy through Binance Pay. So I have spoken a lot about Binance Pay too in this channel. So either a notification pop up or you go through my channel and look for Binance Pay. So with Binance Pay, not only can you easily send cryptocurrency assets to your friends, your loved ones, you can also receive payment for your business via Binance Pay. I explained in the video that can be helpful to you as a business owner. So the opportunity seems endless, though I would say for now it's still okay. The opportunities are always open, but on Binance, at least if we can have a comprehensive list of how you make money. I have spoken a lot about Binance P2P on this channel, so we are not looking at P2P, of course, today. So even aside the normal trading on the Binance spot trading, when you trade, you can trade on Binance P2P, but in that case we call it arbitrage. So you buy cryptocurrency assets when it's very low, and then you can sell it when the price goes high, even by a small margin. Because from Binance P2P, the margin of rise and fall is especially for the stable coins, it's very small because they are stable coins. So if you want to know what a stable coin is, let me know in the comment section below, so I will prepare another video to explain all of these details. And if you still get confused about what I meant by crypto coin and crypto token, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to explain those concepts to beginners who don't understand them. Okay, so and then I will also like to tell you about many things actually, but let's limit it to that. I think with those few, you can start making passive income. With those few I have shown you, you can start making passive income. And stay tuned to this channel, as very soon I will be explaining a product on Binance. It's present on the Binance spot trading and as well as the future trading. I'll be explaining to you that concept. It's more or less like a trading bot built by Binance, so you don't have to worry about once you've done your initial analysis and you set the product into action, you don't need to worry again. It will keep buying and selling for you based on the parameters you set. Okay, so every of the videos you will watch in this channel, they are not financial advice. They are just helpful videos, so you bear the responsibility of doing your own research, and then whether you make profit or loss, you bear the responsibility. So I'm not saying this as a financial advisor, but somebody that is only enlightening you about all of these things. Okay, so now let's get right into it. I promised to show you a coin that will be launching hopefully very soon. It's on BSC News. For those of you that are very familiar with the page, it's called HICE. It's a new cryptocurrency that is going to be launched soon. Hopefully that's what we hope. And so I won't tell you much about it, except for the fact that I will share the link to register, so you can go read more about it. It seems to be credible. You lose nothing in registering via my link below, and then please make sure to get the first bonus of I think it's 10 eyes. So we don't know what 10 eyes will be worth at launch. Who knows? So if it's worth $0.1, that's 1 cent. It means $0.01, that's 1 cent. It means your 10 highs will be equals to 10 cents. If it's worth $1, your 10 highs will be equals to $10. And if it's highly accepted by the crypto community and it's worth $1,000, you have $10,000, guys. So you have nothing to lose. Registering is free, so just support the project. Support the project by registering. Once you register, make sure you insert my referral code, which is wretched. That will guarantee you your first 10 eyes. Then of course you can scale it up, refer people, and then you have a lot of the assets in your wallet. And so all you have to do is just to wait for launch. So that's it, guys. Let's hope for the best, and then please trade wisely, do your own research, and if you find this educative and informative, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification so that you can know when I post the next video. Thank you.